You're probably wondering who this is. I'm Griffin, professional film producer and animator, and a practicing quality analyst. So today I'm just gonna show you some basic things on it, and this is converting text into images. It's quite something that is been coming up, and you could learn if you haven't, and maybe get an option if you have been doing it with one AI. So we have Midjourney and the other AI that is called Blue Willow. So I just wanted to compare Blue Willow and Midjourney and give you some options, some insights on what I think. First of all, for Midjourney, it's something that it has some limitation. You have to subscribe to some payments, and compared to the other AI, the other AI is completely free, and you can do anything that you want. AI that anyone can access it at any point, regardless the number of pictures that you download using the AI. However, for Midjourney, it has some limited number that you can download for free, and then after that you have to subscribe for a plan that can give you up to 200 pictures. So with this, you already know what many of us can prefer. That is the Blue Willow, that is cheaper, that is free, and anyone can access it. And okay, everyone can access it, can access these AIs, but now one is free and one has some payment plans, and maybe most of us can. So I'm gonna take you through the phone. So I'll just do a prompt text of an old man in front of a desktop computer. So I'll just give it a prompt of that. So I'll show you the images that it brings, and then I'll show you the images that it brings in Midjourney and both AIs, and then you'll compare it yourself and then see the quality and see what works for you. But for me, I think they're all the same. So yeah, whichever way you just use the information, it's upon you. Here is the Blue Willow. I'm still using the Discord, and for this case I'll just slash here and then imagine, and then after that I'll wait for that prompt. Imagine I didn't write it well, and then imagine, and then I'll get the prompt, and then after the prompt I'll paste my text to convert into images, and then I'll click on enter, and then I'll wait for the AI to do its thing, and then it will give me 4 options where I'll have to choose one that I like, and based on this U1, U2, U3, U4, you can just choose what you like. U1 is just the first picture, the second one, and the third one. So I'll just scroll and see if it has given me the feedback that I need. Yeah, and then here it is. So what's the most appropriate picture that I want? For this case I didn't like it so much, but you're able to see that I didn't capture the desktop. Something, it didn't involve the AI. Really, it didn't work for me. We can just do it again, and then I'll be specific based on what you suggest there. I'll get what, yeah, that's what you get. I mean, so this is the picture here I'm getting from here, from the Blue Willow, and then now I can select the other app, that is the Midjourney. Same applies to Midjourney. It's just the prompt, and then after I imagine, and then I just paste the words, and then I'll click on enter, and then wait. So while I'll be waiting, let's see what Midjourney gives us. We're still waiting. Yeah, you see, your free trial has come to an end. You subscribe to a plan, you see. Yep. So unfortunately I was using a plan, so that's the limitation of this. Yep. I hope this video helps you, or maybe is meaningful to you and helps you. So if it did, then subscribe, like, share if you like, and maybe next time we can meet on another video of the same.